Imagine earning money while you sleep, or getting paid just for sharing your opinion. Sounds too good to be true? Keep watching to discover how you can make your money work for you. You've done it. You've built up a little cushion in your bank account. $1,000. It feels good, right? Those days of checking your account balance in a panic are behind you. Congrats, you're on the right path. Now it's time to think about some longer-term goals. What do you want to accomplish next with your money? Do you need to save more? Do you want to buy a home someday? Invest? What's the next step to take? What are some specific things you can do to elevate your finances? We've got some ideas for you. First, cancel your car insurance. You might not even realize it, but your car insurance company is probably overcharging you. In fact, they're kind of counting on you not noticing. Luckily, this problem is easy to fix. Don't waste your time browsing insurance sites for a better deal. A company called Insurify shows you all your options at once. People who do this save up to $996 per year. Just tell them a bit about yourself and your vehicle. They'll send you personalized quotes so you can compare them and find the best one for you. Tired of overpaying for car insurance? It takes just 5 minutes to compare your options with Insurify. Next, you can become a real estate investor for as little as $10. Take a look at some of the world's wealthiest people. What do they have in common? Many invest in large private real estate deals. An investment called the Fundrise Flagship Fund lets you get started in the world of real estate by giving you access to a low-cost, diversified portfolio of private real estate. The best part? You don't have to be the landlord. The Flagship Fund does all the heavy lifting. With an initial investment as low as $10, your money will be invested in the fund. The fund already owns more than $1 billion worth of real estate around the country, from apartment complexes to the thriving housing rental market to larger last-mile e-commerce logistics centers. Want to invest more? Many investors choose to invest $1,000 or more. This is a fund that can fit any type of investor's needs. Once invested, you can track your performance from your phone. Watch as properties are acquired, improved, and operated. As properties generate cash flow, you could earn money through quarterly dividend payments. And over time, you could earn money off the potential appreciation of the properties. So if you want to get started in the world of real estate investing, it takes just a few minutes to sign up and create an account with the Fundrise Flagship Fund. Invest in real estate without the volatility. You only need $500. You're not the only one who daydreams about making money in your sleep. Investing in real estate is one of the best ways to earn passive income. The only problem? You need to have lots of money. Well, you used to. With a company called Connect Invest, you can get your foot in the door for just $500, investing in what are called short notes. Basically, you're buying the debt that wealthy developers take on to fund their real estate projects. And they have to pay you back, with up to 9% annualized rate in interest, while you sleep. With Connect Invest, you'll invest for terms of 6, 12, or 24 months, during which you'll receive monthly fixed interest payments between 7.5% and 9% annualized rate. You could earn a legit passive income with those rates, and it's way higher than what you'd earn with your savings account. Connect Invest carefully vets each real estate project and borrower. And don't worry, all loans are backed by real estate collateral. In the rare event of a default, Connect Invest's sister company will foreclose on the property with the investor's approval and sell it to recover your investment. It's super easy to set up your free account and start investing. To earn your $20 bonus, click the referral source link in the description and apply promo code PH20. This app debit card combo earns up to 5.00% APY on savings, 3% cashback at Walmart. This sounds an awful lot like a credit card, right? It's not, but this account rewards you like it is, minus all the ticky-tacky fees. The One Cash debit card and app will pay you up to 5.00% APY on savings, and it comes with plenty of cashback offers to help you grow your money even more. You can get 3% cashback on purchases at Walmart, up to $50 annually, with eligible deposits and up to 5% cashback on select brands. One Cash's focus is on giving you more than you expect. One Cash won't charge you monthly fees or impose minimum balance requirements. There are even more perks for getting a One Cash account. Get paid up to 2 days early with direct deposit. You can get 10% cash back at Walmart on your first purchase up to $20, limited time offer. You can get free bill pay to settle monthly bills with eligible deposits. And if you have a family or friend you want to share funds with and they have One Cash too, you can quickly and easily send them money with the one-to-one feature. Ready for a debit card that spoils you like a credit card? It's easy to sign up for a One Cash account today. Just enter your phone number to get started. Earn $1,000 per month by reviewing games and products you love. This is the new normal. Everything just costs more now, so that means we have to find ways to earn more. But there's a way you can mix work with play and earn an extra $1,000 a month while doing it. All you need to do is register on a website called CashKick with your phone or computer. Ready to give yourself a raise? Sign up for CashKick and start earning money whenever you have a little free time. Your financial future is in your hands. Start today. Please like and subscribe for more fun financial stuff, and check out all the resource links in the description. Thank you for watching and supporting our channel. You are the real heroes.